Hey, how you doing? My name is Mr. Holmes, and I am your CTE instructor. As you look back here, you see that we're making a tiny house, and we have some of the guys nailing the fascia board in, and we have some other guys cutting out some 2x4s for the doorway. I'm telling you, this class right here, I have students that have been able to learn so much in the construction field, dealing with roofing, dealing with siding, dealing with rough frame construction. So in so many aspects, we talk about 16 different components of construction, and then there's 12 different components of construction that we narrow down on. We talk about plumbing, we talk about electrical, we talk about painting, we talk about drywall finishing, installation, being a part of this program. There's so many other things that they can learn being a part. One of the things that I like pushing most is critical thinking skills and problem solving skills, because these are the skills that we can use for the rest of our lives. So I encourage you to get involved. Get your students involved. Get your kids involved. And let's make a difference today. Peace.
So my name is Devin Webster. I've been taking this class for 2 years now, and I learned a lot about moduling, plumbing, and also roofing, and also how to take care of basic safety, and also other stuff with the drills and power tools. Using this in a railroad by, I don't want to have to call out a plumber or call out someone, because I know how to do it by taking this class for about 2 years, and I know how to do everything I already know. I just have to buy the tools and the money I have already.